In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user account in Google Workspace. Whether you're managing your business accounts or just maintaining your online presence, this can be a vital skill. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by simply opening a web browser and entering the Google Workspace URL. It's where everything begins, so ensure you're at the right place before proceeding. Once you're there, your next step is to click on the admin console. This is the control center where you'll manage accounts and settings, so getting familiar with this environment is crucial for effective account management. Before you can make any changes, you'll need to log in using your business email. It goes without saying that having the correct credentials is important, so double check your email and password to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, take a look at the top right corner and click on the Google Apps menu. That little icon that looks like a grid of dots. It holds several of Google's services, and here you'll want to find and click on the admin icon. Now, you're in a position to start managing user accounts. Head over to the home section by clicking on the corresponding link or tab. This is where you'll get an overview of all your user management options. You're looking for the users section here. Scroll a bit if you need to and click on delete a user. This choice is vital when you're aiming to remove someone from the system, and it's aptly placed in this section for your convenience. With this, you'll see a prompt to type in the account name that you intend to delete. Carefully enter the user's account name in the designated space. A list of possible matches may appear, helping you ensure you're choosing the right person. When you've found the user account you wish to delete, click on it. It's an important choice, so be sure you're selecting the correct user before proceeding. After selecting the account, the next step is to click on Proceed. This action takes you closer to finalizing the account deletion. The on-screen instructions ensure that you're clear about the actions you're taking at every stage. Finally, you'll see the option to click on Delete User. At this point, you'll need to agree with the terms presented. It's important to read these terms to understand the consequences and confirm you're ready to permanently delete the account. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully deleted a user account in Google Workspace. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more essential tips and tutorials.